Back to the charts, Big Boss Crypto, and today we'll take a look at Chainlink and why JP Morgan loves Chainlink. So take a look at this document right here, published by JP Morgan recently, called The Future of Wealth Management, and how Chainlink is the key to make tokenization of all world's assets happen, and why it can't happen without Chainlink. So without further ado, let's look at the charts. All right, so as you can see on the screen right here, this is a document by JP Morgan called The Future of Wealth Management, Ultra Efficient Portfolios of Traditional and Alternative Investments Powered by Tokenization. So if you want to read the document by yourself, I'll provide a link in the description below. But we also covered this document in a previous video as well, but it was more regarding AVAX and why AVAX is the key for tokenization to happen and why it will replace Ethereum. So if you want to see that video, we'll provide a link on the top of the screen right here. But anyway, this video is mainly about Chainlink. So if we do a Control F search on this document and look for Oracle, we got 8 suggestions right here, which is great, as basically oracles are needed and the key to bridge blockchains together with the real world. So without oracles, tokenization would happen. But anyway, if we take a look at the first search right here, we can see that in the infrastructure overview of basically JP Morgan's model for tokenization, we can see that they have a layer 0 protocol for cross-chain messaging, passing protocol and securing interoperability services through oracles or relayers between Onyx digital assets, which is basically their services, and permissioned Avalanche subnets. So Avalanche and Chainlink will play a key role for tokenization. And furthermore, if we take a look on the other search term right here, in rebalancing, we can, it's basically lots of technical data and basically experiments that they did, much similar to the CCIP experiments that the Australian central bank did, which is basically for calculations to be happening properly for portfolio allocations. Oracles, a series of oracles could source this information, which basically is a sign that oracles are key to provide real world data in live time so that the proper transactions happen. And furthermore, we can see right here lots of technical data about layer 0 protocol, which is basically the oracles. Not really much to say there. And also, this is an interesting chart right here, which basically indicates how the layer 0 protocol works. Basically, smart contracts communicated together with the Avalanche blockchain and basically bridges the gap between the real world and blockchain. So, I see right here, their services on digital assets pass through a smart contract to their layer 0 software, which most likely is based by the CCIP protocol that Chainlink uses through oracles to the Avalanche blockchain right here, which is very cool and exciting to see. But then you might ask yourself, okay, that seems cool and all, but how does Chainlink have anything to do with this white paper as it only mentions Oracle? Well, if you take a look at this chart right here, which is basically, as of last year, total volume secured all oracles. So basically, the market dominance right here, we can see that Chainlink dominates about 73% of all the oracle-based technology, which is basically is a monopoly compared to the others, as you can see right here. Chainlink has about 135 protocols secured and 117 billions of total volume, compared to Maker at number 2, Internal, TWAP, and Band. So when you look in comparison, I mean, Chainlink wins by a landslide and basically has a monopoly in the Oracle space. And especially when you think about it, Chainlink has powerful connections with powerful people like Klaus Schwab, Eric Schmidt, um, and yeah, the list goes on and on. I mean, it's safe to say that Chainlink is the key in order to make tokenization happen. And without Chainlink CCIP tokenization, then JP Morgan simply can't tokenize all the world's asset. So Chainlink together with AVAX is the key in order to make tokenization become a real thing. That's all from me. Thanks so much for your time. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, leave a dislike if you didn't. Now, please note this is not financial or investment advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is Big Boss Crypto, the realest of the real crypto YouTubers. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Big Boss out.